I'm now going to tell you what exactly is it that Taiwan is doing to save itself from the dragon. It's unveiled a $40 billion defense boost, launched the Taiwan Dome, Air Shield, which is with an 8-year security push amidst the growing threat that has come in from the Chinese side to ensure that it can stand up to the growing threats that have come in from China. And in fact, a major share of the funds that will come in will go towards developing the Taiwan Dome, an advanced air defense system designed for high precision detection and rapid interception of threats. The budget, spread over 8 years from 2026 to 2033, aligns with Taiwan's broader push to raise the defense expenditure to 5% of its GDP, reflecting Taipei's efforts to boost deterrence as America urges stronger self-defense capabilities. Take a look.
2026到2033年。
In a bold move, Taiwan has unveiled a sweeping new defense plan worth $40 billion. A clear signal that the island intends to shield itself from a rising challenge. Under the leadership of Lai Ching-te, Taiwan aims to transform its military strength. The plan will fund new arms purchases, including advanced missiles, drones, and air defense upgrades to counter what Taipei calls an unprecedented threat from China. Central to the plan, the creation of a multi-layered air defense shield, dubbed T-Dome, designed to intercept missiles, drones, or aircraft that may threaten Taiwan's skies. A strategic move to raise the cost of any potential aggression. This decision comes amid an uptick in Chinese military pressure, regular airspace incursions, naval maneuvers, grey zone tactics, and political signaling. For Taiwan, the message is clear. Deterrence must now be backed by tangible defense capability. With this defense budget, Taiwan is not just building systems, it's building resolve. Whether Beijing proceeds down a path of pressure or aggression, Taipei is signaling it won't stand still. The stakes for peace in the Indo-Pacific just got higher.